Module 4 Spur gears. Derivation of minimum number of teeth on gear to avoid interference. The pinion turns clockwise and drives the gear as shown in figure 6.7. The points M and N are called interference points. That if the contact takes place beyond M and N, interference will occur. The limiting value of addendum circle radius of pinion is O to N. The limiting value of addendum circle radius to gear is O1M. Therefore, by considering the critical addendum circle radius of gear, the limiting number of teeth on the gear can be calculated. Looking at the figure, let pi is a pressure angle, capital R is a pitch circle radius of gear, that is small mt by 2, where m is module, small r is pitch circle radius of pinion, small mt by 2, so capital T is number of teeth on gear, small teeth is number of teeth on pinion, m is module, AW is addendum constant of gear, AP is addendum constant of pinion, AW into M is addendum of gear, AP into M is addendum of pinion. So G is a gear ratio T by T. Join O1M and join O1 to M and triangle O1MP, applying cosine rule. O1M square equals to O1P square plus MPM square minus 2 O1P PM cos O1PM, O1P square plus O2P square sin square pi minus 2 O1P O2P sin pi cos 90 plus pi. Since triangle O2PM PM is O2P sin pi, therefore O1P square plus O2P square sin square pi plus O2 O1P O2P sin square pi, R square plus R square sin square pi plus 2 R sin square pi, R square 1 plus square R square minus R square sin square pi plus 2 R sin square pi, R square 1 minus R by R sin square pi, R by R plus 2, 1m is R square root of 1 plus R by R sin square pi, R by R plus 2, mt by 2, 1 plus t by t sin square pi, t by t plus 2 square root, mt by 2 square root of 1 plus 1 by g sin square pi, 1 by g plus 2 square, all because g is t by t. Question 1. Also O1M is O1P plus addendum of gear, that is R plus AWM, that is MT by 2 plus AWM. That is question 2. Equating question 1 and 2, MT by 2 plus AWM equals to MT by 2 bracket of square root of 1 plus 1 by g sin square pi 1 by g plus 2. AW equals to t by 2 1 plus 1 by g sin square pi 1 by g plus 2 square root minus t by 2 1 So t by 2 1 plus 1 by g sin square pi 1 by g plus 2 square root 1 minus 1 t equals to 2 aw upon 1 plus 1 by g sin square pi 1 by g plus 2 square root minus 1. So this is the number of teeth on gear to avoid interference. So number of teeth on avoid to get interference t is t by g. If t number of pinion is same as gear, capital T equals to small t, then g is 1, that is t by t equals to 2 aw 1 plus 3 sin square pi square root minus 1.